Afternoon, distinguished dignitaries. Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State Independent Charge for the Ministry of the Development of the Northeast Region and Minister of State for the Prime Minister's Office, Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space. Esteemed Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu, Professor Manoj Kedhar, Professor Monika Sethi, HOD, Department of English, University of Jammu, and ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor to present the first edition of the prestigious Kunwar Viyogi Annual Memorial Lecture being held in collaboration with the Department of English, University of Jammu. The vision of the Honorable Vice Chancellor has enabled the Trust to bring distinguished personalities to the students for learning through example. The first edition of the Kunwar Viyogi Annual Memorial Lecture will have its reach far and wide as it is online, thus becoming a representation of Jammu University's pursuit for excellence and innovation. Kunwar Viyogi Annual Lecture endeavors to invite prominent personalities to drive debate on social, political, and cultural challenges and to share their vision of shaping a more equitable, enhanced, and evolved world. It encourages people to enter into dialogue and break new ground for collective well-being. I'd now like to invite Professor Monika Sethi, HOD of the Department of English, University of Jammu, to give her welcome address.
Thank you, Ayushman. Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, Independent Charge for Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Atomic Energy and Space, Government of India, Professor Manoj Kedhar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu, Mr. Ayushman Jamwal, Senior Editor, News 18, and Member, Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure that I extend my greetings to all of you on the occasion of the first Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Lecture 2020. Initiated with a purpose to engage the thinking citizenry into effective dialogue, the lecture series aims at collective social well-being. With a deep sense of gratitude, I welcome Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, who has been gracious enough in having accepted our invitation to deliver the lecture today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pride and honor that Dr. Jitendra Singh ji will be talking to us today. His lecture definitely will be a beacon light showing us the way forward on the path of peace, harmony, and development. I welcome you, sir. I heartily welcome Professor Manoj Dharji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu. Sir, your presence amongst us is a source of great encouragement. The department shares your zeal for academic excellence and would continue to look forward to your support and guidance in future as well. Welcome, sir. I also welcome Mr. Ayushman Jamwal, Senior Editor, News 18, whose initiative and efforts have made this lecture series possible. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share with you that the Trust is truly committed to the promotion of Dogri language and culture and has been making sincere efforts for facilitating its growth and preservation. This lecture series has added another dimension to the Trust's activities as it has broadened its scope now to involve not just the academia, but the general society as well. This definitely will go a long way in the service of society. Congratulations to the Trust, and I welcome all the dignitaries.